Welcome to another educational video. This one's going to be about your dishwasher. Ready to learn some disgusting secrets about your dishwasher? Stay tuned, and if you like this video and want to learn more about your appliances, like and subscribe. Let's get started with how a dishwasher works. Your dishwasher fills the floor with water. That water marinates on the floor of your dishwasher and filter. A pump then sucks the water up off the floor and sprays that water onto your dishes. You never get clean water on your dishes in a dishwasher. For machines with filters on the floor, remove the filter once a week, rinse the filter, and reinstall. Be sure that the filter is installed securely and locked in place so it doesn't come out during a wash and melt on a heating element. You can use a soft bristle brush on most filters. Just be careful on the nylon cloth filters. I always recommend cleaning the filter after a wash. It's much easier to rinse. Here is a small list of filters you might find in the bottom of your dishwasher. Some dishwashers won't have removable filters like a lot of the old ones most people are used to. But most dishwashers today do have a removable filter that should be cleaned, I say once a week, minimum once a month. Be sure to check the floor of your dishwasher for anything that might have fallen, silverware, straws, or any other kind of debris. Different types of stainless steel, when wet, can cause rust, such as different types of silverware touching each other or silverware touching the floor of a stainless steel dishwasher, as in this image here. Once a month, we will clean our machine with distilled white vinegar. Run our faucet hot as we can, then we will pour half a cup of distilled white vinegar on the floor of our dishwasher. We will set our machine to heavy wash, sani or sanitize rinse, and let our machine clean itself once every month. This has been another Cutler's Appliance educational video. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help us out. See you in the next one.